In this video, I will show you how to clear browser cache in Google Chrome. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So if you want to go ahead and clear your browser cache, what you're going to want to do first is open up a new Google Chrome browser. Then what you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner and you want to click onto the three dots just up here. So what that's going to do is bring up a menu like this, and from here you want to come down to settings and just click onto settings. Next, what you need to do is come across to this menu on the left hand side and you want to click here where it says privacy and security. What that's going to do is take you to a page like this, and if you come down to the privacy and security section just down here, and what you want to do is click onto this option which says clear browsing data, it's going to go ahead and open up a window like this. Now from here what you can do is select the time range to delete, so you can see mine set to the last hour. However, if you want to completely clear the browser cache, you want to change this to all time. So now you've got some additional options underneath. So we don't want to clear our actual browsing history or our history, so we're going to untick this box. But to clear your cache, you want to make sure you've ticked the other two boxes for cookies and other site data, and this one here where it says cached images and files. Once that's done, just come down and press the blue clear data button just down here, and within a minute or two that's going to go ahead and completely clear the browser cache on Google Chrome. So I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.